Geobyte.
Welcome to the Geobyte. Dear children, percentages part 2. Already you know weightage 2 marks. First part 4 models completed, 4 types. In the part 2, remaining concepts. Observe. Type 5. Population concept. Population. So generally population increased. Okay. So this type of concept, once observe. Children, suppose present population 10,000 in India. In the next year, it increased by the 10%. It increased by the 10%. So in a 10,000, 10%, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. So answer 1,000. So after 1 year, what is the population then? 11,000. Okay, for the second year, this 11,000 is called principal for the next year. Again next year, which increased by the 10%. Okay, children. So this 10% is calculated on 11,000, not at 10,000. Okay, got it, all of you? This is population concept. Suppose after the simplification it become 12100. This 12100 is called principal for the next year. Okay, this is population concept. But every time each individually calculation time taken. That's why we had a formula. Okay, children, got it? So what is the formula? Observe. Suppose present population, meaning small p. Present population is given, which increased by r percentage per every year. Then population after 2 years, after 3 years, after 4 years. Then population capital P is equal to small p into 1 plus population increase. That's why we are using plus symbol. 1 plus r by 100 whole power plus n. Okay, this plus. Suppose sometimes a question asking present population is given 2 years back, what is the population? Then it become the power is minus. Okay, confirmation. Look at the present population is small p, which increased by r percentage per every year. Then population after or ago n years is. So population of p, p plus population increase, that's why this plus symbol. Okay, in the power this plus is after, meaning after. Here meaning minus, meaning ago or before. This is the concept. Okay, children. Next, look at example. The present population is 1000, which increased by 10% per every year. Find the population after 2 years. So after 2 years. Okay, children, after 2 years, first generally present to 1000. For the first year, 10% is increased. So in a 1000, 10%, so 10 by 100, 2020. So what is the answer? 100. 10% is 100. This 100 is added to the 1000. So it become 1100, which is called principal, basic point for the next year. Okay, this is first year, this is the second year. So in a 1100, 10% is 10 by 100. So what is the answer? 110. This 110 is added to the 1100 plus 110. So answer 1210 is the population after 2 years. This is concept wise. Okay. Concept wise. Suppose direct answer. direct answer. So after 2 years, so it become capital P, small p, population increase, so R plus R by 100. They are asking after 2 years, so that's why plus 2. Okay, so capital P is equal to small p 1000. 1 plus rate 10 by 100. 2 power is 2. So 1000. So here simplify 0 0 cancel. After the simplification it become 11 by 10 whole square. Okay children, so 1000, 11 square 121, 10 square 100, 2 zeros 2 zeros. So what is the answer? 1 2 1 or 0. So 1 2 1 0. So both are same answers. Okay children, second problem, previous year question. Previous year meaning last 2 times. This 2015 and 2010. This problem given 2 times. Same problem given 2 times. Observe, the population of a particular district is 20 lakhs. It increased by 1.1% per every year. What is the population after 1 year? Okay children, question is only for 1 year. Only for 1 year, so formula not necessary. So directly you can apply in the 20 lakhs. What is the 1.1%? 1.1 upon 100. 25 cancel. So 1.1 by 5. So here before decimal this is 1. 1 does not divisible by 5. So that's why you put 0. So it become 11. Okay, 11 by 5. So 5 2 is a 10. Again 1. So you put 0 obviously. Okay, again 2. So 0.22 is the answer. So 20 lakhs plus 0.22 lakhs. So that is 20.22 lakhs. So what is the answer? Option D is the answer. Okay children, next. Machine, bike, computer concept. Result on depreciation. So type 5 population increased, that's a plus symbol. It is a depreciation, that's here minus symbol we are using. Okay, so present cost given. Next year it decreased by some percentage. Okay, obviously. So what is the cost after 1 year? What is the cost after 2 years? What is the cost after 3 years? What is the cost 2 years ago? Same methodology. Okay, so small p meaning here present cost. Cost decreased minus symbol. After n years, look at after n years, that's why here plus n. Suppose they are asking n years back, so p is present cost. 1 minus r by 100 whole power minus n. Smaller or bigger what it may be, both are same. Okay, both are same. Just I want rate percentage only. Next. The original price of car is 5 lakhs. What is the new price of car after reducing to the 10%? So after reducing 10%, 5 lakhs, 10% reduce. 10%, so 10 by 100, 0, 0, 0, 0. So what is the remaining? 5, 4 zeros. That means 50,000. So 5 lakhs minus 50,000. Okay, so 4 zeros. So there is, it is less than the 5. So it bring from here. It become 10. 10 minus 5. So 1 remove. What is the remaining? 45. Okay, then after that conclusion 4 lakhs 50,000 is the answer. Option D is the answer. Okay children, next. Type 7 based on the examination concept. Okay, observe the question. 200 students appeared in an examination. 75% of students passed in that examination. Out of the 200, 75% is passed. But what is the question here? Find number of students passed in that examination. Okay, passed in that examination. So they're asking passing students. So in a 200, 75%. So 70 by 100. 2020. So answer 150. So 150 students passed in that examination. Option A. Next, same examination concept, previous question, everything previous question, and this one also, both are previous questions. Out of total 250 marks, a student got 30% of marks and failed by the 25 marks. The marks necessary for passing two. Okay. Okay, children, you observe. Suppose a small example. Okay, from shops, you want to purchase dairy milk or 5-star chocolate, anything. So dairy milk chocolate cost 20 rupees, but you have only 18 rupees only. Okay, you have only 18 rupees. So how much more money you needed? 2 rupees. Why here 20? So here gap 2 rupee. The 2 is added to the 18 rupee. So you got a 20 rupee. In the same way, here one student got some X marks. He failed with 10. So that 10 is added to the X. It should be a passed. Okay, look at. Out of the 250 marks, a student got 30%. So first of all, in a 250, 30%. 30 by 100. 20 cancel. 325 75. So actually is getting 75 marks and failed by 25. Failed by 25 means that 25 should be added to the 75. He got 100. Okay, it is pass mark. Okay, students, got it? Okay, so what is the option? Option C is the answer. Type 8, more or less than concept. Okay, level increased. Okay, depth. Here observe, A and B, two friends are two students. A said to the B, A said to the B, I am 10% more than to you. I am 10% more than to you. Okay, then what is the A value? I don't know. Okay, so I don't know. That's why let B is equal to 100. Let or say. Now A said I am 10% is more than to you. Then what is the A value? 10% is more. In that 100, 10%. Okay, answer is 10. So what is the A value then? 110 rupees. Now my question is, now B had 100 rupee, A had 110 rupee. Now my question is, now B said to the A. Okay, now B said to the A. Now B is how much percentage less than to A? How much percentage less than to A? Compare with A. Okay, so B is how much rupees less actually? 10 rupees less. So this 10 is compared with 100 or 110? That is my question. So B is compared with A now. So this 10 rupees is compared with 110. 110 by 100. Got it, children? Once again, A and B two members. A said to the B 20% is more. So A is 20% is more. B value we don't know. B 100. Say. So A value 120. Now B said to the A. Now B is how much rupees less compared with the A? 20 rupees less. So how much percentage? This is rupees, okay. In terms of percentage, how much percentage less? So 20 by 120 into 100. This is concept wise. Okay, this is concept wise. But every time, okay, assumption time taken. That's why formula method, look at. A is x percentage more than to B, then B is x by 100 plus x into 100 less than to A. Okay, formula proof, look at A, B. B value I don't know 100. A said to the B, I am x percentage more. X percentage more means what is the value then? 100 plus x. Now reverse, B said to the A, I am how much rupees less here? B had 100, A had 100 plus x. So B had x rupee less. So this x is compared with 100 plus x into 100. So formula proof. Okay, second point. A is x percent less than to B, then B is X by 100 minus x into 100 more than to A. Okay, more than to A. Okay, children, got it? Point here. Once again, formula proof. B value I don't know 100. A is x percentage less. X percentage less. Okay. You remember, children, first of all, in 100, any number also same percentage, not a problem. In 100, 1 rupee, 1%. In 100, 2 rupee, 2%. In 100, 5 rupee, 5%. In 100 x rupee, x percentage directly. Because we are taking the value 100, universal value 100. That's directly not a problem. Say x percentage less. So what is the value? 100 minus x. Now reverse. B set to the A. B is how much rupees more than B 100? 100 minus x. B is how much rupees more? X by 100 minus x into 100. This is formula. Okay. Questions. Look at. A is 20% more than to the B. Find how much percentage B is less than to A. Okay. First concept to A to B. B value I don't know 100. So A is a 20% more. So B had 100. 20% more means 20% more means 120. 10% more means 110. 4% last means 96. Depends. 20% more meaning 120. Okay. Now A had 120, B had 100. Now what is the question? Find how much percentage B is less. Now B is how much less compared with A? 20 rupees less. That 20 compared with 120 upon 100. 26 100 by 6. 16.66 less. Okay, children. This is procedure actually. But here we have a small shortcut. Already I told na, in the part 1 we need at least 10 values. 1 by 1 into 100, 1 by 2 into 100. Okay. The 10 values if you are perfect, there is a small shortcut. Observe the 10 values. Here A is 20% is more. So 20. Where is the 20? 20% is more. How much percentage less? They are asking less. They are asking less means you can see the 20 below number. What is the 20 below number? 16.66. Direct answer. Suppose he is asking more, you can check the above number. Completed. Okay. Next. Raju got 10% less than to Ramu. Then how much percentage Ramu is more than to Raju? Okay. They are asking more. So 10% is above number. Okay. You can check here. 10%. 10% above number is 11.11. So answer is 11.11. Direct answer. Okay. Suppose if you want concept to A to B. B value I don't know 100. A is a 10% less. So in a 100 10% less means 10 subtract. So 90. Now B is how much percentage more compared with A? 10 rupees more. That 10 compared with 90 upon 100. Answer 11.11. Suppose if you are perfect in a formula, then directly 10 by 100 minus 10 into 100. So again answer 11.11. Out of 3 methods, you can follow any one method. Your wish. Next. Previous questions. Some previous questions. Okay. 0.075 when expressed as percentage is 0.075 into 100. Okay, here decimal after 3 numbers, but here 2 zeros. So 2 places only forwarded. Okay, then 0, 0, 7.5. This 0 is not necessary. So 7.5 percentage. Okay, students. Next. Out of 600 students, 240 are girls. What is percentage of the girls? So what is the percentage of the 240 in a 600? That is the question. 240 upon 600 into 100. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 6 fourths. So what is the answer then? 40%. So 40. Next. The side of square increased by 10%. Find change of its area. Okay. And generally, square area. What is the square area formula? We know already. A square or S square or side square. What it may be. Okay. Suppose side you can assume. We don't know. That's you can assume. Okay. That's you can assume. So suppose you can assume 10. So what is the A square value then? 10 square. So 100. This is original. Side increased by the 10%. So side increased by the 10%. Side increased by the increased by the 10%. So what is the area then? Okay, what is the area? So in a 10% increased. So 10 by 100. So what is the answer then? 1. So it side become 10 plus 1, 11. Now what is the new side? 11. Area is equal to 11 square. So 121. Okay. Original area 100. This is 121. So compare with 100 how much more? Compare with 100 how much more? 21. So 21% is more. This is the simple methodology for this type of questions. First of all, you write the original formula. Next depends upon the question. Okay, children. So percentage part 1 and part 2 completed. Okay, concepts completed. In further videos, only practice questions, previous year questions. Thank you, children.